Hello, my name is Zanda, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create a Facebook ad campaign. But before I get started, if you are new to my channel, please kindly do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that anytime I use a new video you can be able to get notification for that. So if you want to be able to generate sales in your business, whether it's physical or digital, so you need to learn how you can be able to create Facebook sales campaign. And by doing that, you need to head over to your ad manager dashboard. So this is my ad manager dashboard. So once you're in this interface, all you just need to do, come to this create plus button here. Just click on it. So after that, you just need to come to this sales option here now. So come to this sales option, tap on this sales option. Once you tap on this sales option, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to be redirected to this page. So this page, you have to choose your campaign setup. So this first campaign setup, Facebook is going to set it up for you, but I always recommended you to use this manual setup because you have full control on your ad setup. So just tap this manual setup campaign and click on continue. So once you click on continue, you can see this is your campaign name. So you can just change this campaign name to anything that you want. So I'm just going to say ad 1. So I'm just going to be using ad 1 as my campaign name. So once you type in your campaign name, if you want to change your campaign name, so you just need to click on next. There's nothing much you need to do here. So just change your campaign name. If you want to change your campaign name, then just click on next. So in this place now, we have to select where we want to drive our sales to. You can either drive your sales to either websites, app, messenger, calls, anything. But normally we use our website, so you can drive your sales to a website where people can easily purchase your product. So you can just easily set your ad set name. Once you set your ad set name, so you can just come to this performance. So once you are in this performance goals, you can just easily leave it to this maximum number of conversations. So if first expand this, now you're going to see the description is that you try to show your ads to the people mostly likely to take a specific action on your website. So you just need to leave this. So in your pixel aspects, if you want to learn how you can be able to set your pixel, kindly watch this video above this video, or you can easily check the description for you to be able to know how you can be able to set up your pixel on seller. So now you need to come to this conversion events. So we want a website purchase, right? So you just need to come to this conversion events and then you come to purchase. So make sure that you select purchase. So once you select purchase as our conversion event, then you can just come to this side, set your daily budget. I think Facebook daily budget now is now 1,500 or 1,600. So I don't know for now, but I think let's just check it. Let's add 1,500. Okay, you can see that their ad budget now is now 1,600. The daily ad budget. So once you set your daily ad budget, you can set it to any amount that you want, depending on the amount you want to use to run your campaign. So once you have already set your ad budget, all you just need to do is that you need to come to your audience, click on this edit button, or you can easily scroll down and click on this switch to original audience option. So I always use this original audience option because they give me the full access on selecting my audience. So once you select the original audience action, all you need to do, you need to select your location. So if you want to display your ad on Nigeria, you can just leave it, or if you want to choose any other country that you want to display your ad, just come to this side and search the country that you want to show your ad to. So after that, you need to select your age, so depending on the product that you are selling. So you know the people that need those products, you can easily set it from 20 to to 50 or to 60, any amount or any age range that you want to set your ad. So you can come to gender. Depending on the product that you are selling, if the product that you are selling is made for men only, you can easily set it to male only. But if it is both female and male, then you use all genders. So once you select it, come to this action, this detailed targeting here now. So in this place now, you need to be very specific and then careful, because here is the people that you want to select on, and people that are going to be viewing your ad, people that are going to see your ad on Facebook. So you need to be very careful on your audience targeting. So depending on the products that you want to promote on Facebook. So if you are promoting a digital product or a physical product, just search a keyword that is related to that product that you are selling. But before doing that, you can easily come to this browse here now. Select the kind of audience that you want Facebook to display your ad to. So in my next video, I'm going to be doing a full tutorial on how you can be able to select your specific audience for a specific product or campaign that you want to run on Facebook. So once you have already selected your campaign, and you input your behavior characters and the people that you want them to see your ad on the Facebook. So you just need to click on this next button. So once you click on this next button, you are going to be directed to a page where you need to input your image, your ad copy, and the website that you want your audience or people that are seeing your ad to go to. So you can just easily come to this ad name and then change the ad name if you wish to change the ad name. So the other one is this ad setup. So you can just come to this format and choose the kind of formats that you want on Facebook ad. So to run your ad on Facebook, so now you can either select your media, either is image or video. So anyone that you want, just click on it. So once you click on it now, then you come to this primary text. So this is the description and your ad copy. So any text that you put here is going to display above the image or above the video that you want to run your ad on Facebook. After that, you put in your headline and then put in your description. Then you come to this call to action and select the call to action that you want. So once you have selected your call to action, don't forget to come to the site and fill in the website URL that you want any user that's come across your ad to be able to visit or to get your product through that website. Don't forget to input your website URL. And the best part about this and what I love, you can just easily click this extra additional contacts button here now, which means that anybody that come across your website through this particular advert, if they have any issue or if they want to ask a question regards to the products that they are seeing, they can easily contact you on Facebook and on WhatsApp. And Facebook is not going to be charging you any amount for anybody that contacts you using the button. They can only charge you if someone make purchase on your website. So once you have already set all this up, just click on publish, and once you click on publish, your ad is going to be published, and then it takes 24 hours for the reviews to complete. Once your review is complete, Facebook is going to approve your ad and your ad will be live on Facebook. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I release a new video, you can be able to get notification for that. See you in my next video.